What is Vasuki Indicus? Was that even big than Titanoboa? We will find out this in the video. Vasuki is an extinct genus of madsoid snake from the Middle Eocene Naledi Formation of India. The genus contains a single species, V. indicus, known from several vertebrae. Vasuki has an estimated body length between 10.9 to 15.2 meters, 36 to 50 ft, making it the largest known madsoid. The upper bounds of the length estimates would make Vasuki the longest snake ever discovered. The Vasuki holotype specimen, IITR VPL SB 3102121, was discovered in the sedimentary layers of the Naledi Formation in the Panadro lignite mine in the Kutch district of Gujarat state, western India. The specimen consists of 27 pre-cloacal vertebrae, some of which were found in articulation. In 2024, Vasuki Indicus was described as a new genus and species of madsoid snake based on these fossil remains. The generic name, Vasuki, references the divine serpent of the same name from Hindu mythology. The specific name, Indicus, references India, the country where the Vasuki fossils were found. The former equation resulted in a body length range of 10.9 to 12.2 meters, 36 to 40 feet, while the latter equation resulted in a body length range of 14.5 to 15.2 meters, 48 to 50 feet. Although the vertebral dimensions of Vasuki are smaller than those of Titanoboa, the largest length estimates indicate a longer body than that taxon, which was about 13 meters, 43 ft long. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video, and subscribe for more info.